Hey everyone! Today we're unboxing and reviewing the HyperX Pulsefire Core RGB gaming mouse, one of the best budget gaming mice under 1,500 rupees. If you're wondering whether it's worth your money, let's dive right in. Here's the HyperX Pulsefire Core box. On the front, you've got the key specs, up to 6,200 DPI, RGB lighting, and 7 programmable buttons. Let's crack it open. Inside, you'll find the mouse itself wrapped in protective film, a quick start guide. And that's pretty much it. Simple, minimal packaging helps keep the cost low. All right, now let's open it up. The braided cable is a really nice touch at this price point. Let's go ahead and peel off that protective film. Here it is, matte black finish, textured side grips, and a clean, symmetrical design. You've got a total of 7 programmable buttons, the 2 main clicks, the scroll wheel, 2 side buttons, and 2 DPI buttons right behind the wheel. For an entry-level gaming mouse, it actually feels pretty solid in hand. The clicks are nice and crisp, and the switches are rated for 20 million clicks. Now, let's check out the HyperX NGenuity software. Here you can customize the RGB lighting, choose modes, adjust opacity, colors, speed, and brightness. Polling rate goes up to 1000 Hz, and in the buttons section, you can remap every button except for the left and right clicks. In the sensor tab, you can fine-tune your DPI all the way up to 6,200. And with Light Sync, there are even more lighting modes to play around with. Now let's roll some gameplay clips. If you're thinking about picking up this mouse, drop a comment below. Don't forget to smash that like button if this video helped. And of course, subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.